What's up, amigos? Welcome to the video. Now today I'm going to be unboxing one of my first items I'm going to be doing as a side hustle. So let's get started. Okay, before I unbox this, I want to explain something. The reason I want to do this kind of side hustles is just a way to get some extra money into my screen printing shop. And actually I've been busy this past week on a different hustle that I wasn't planning on doing, but it just happened by accident. Some of my viewers have messaged me on Facebook and Instagram telling me that they wanted to pay me to help them out with a certain design, to separate some colors or create some logos. So I've been busy with that this past week. That's why I haven't really posted anything. But what's in here, you're probably going to be surprised when you see what I actually end up buying to resell. And I will implement it here with the screen print shop some way, a way to make this custom. But let's just get this. I was really about to unbox this at work because I was so excited that they finally arrived. But yeah, so let's unbox this. Okay, so what I actually bought is I actually ordered this from China. As you can tell, because it's all beat up. This is something I'm thinking of selling here locally. Probably online, but I gotta find out how much shipping will cost me if I were to sell online. Oh, I see this. Oh snap. Can you guys guess what it is? I don't understand chicken, so I don't know what was his guess. Here it is, you guys. Stainless steel straws. Oh my god, this looks so cool. Wow, these are fatter than I expected, these ones. Oh, the little sponges. And the bags. Okay, you guys. So yeah. My plan is to start selling stainless steel straws. This one's I actually ordered from Alibaba and I actually got them custom. Okay, so you're probably wondering to yourself, why straws? Why stainless steel straws? And to me, I found 3 reasons to go for it. One is I see a potential market, or you could say like a trend that will happen here in Mexico with these straws. The other one is the margins for these straws are incredible if you sell them. And the third reason is I could actually include this in a way in my screen printing. For example, you know, I could offer t-shirts, but I could also offer these. First, I'm going to start with the potential market I see. Because here in Mexico, they're really getting strict on plastic waste. They're trying to ban as much plastic as they can. In certain cities, they already got rid of the plastic bags. Here in my city, especially in my state where I'm at, some places people don't even get out of plastic bags anymore. Straws, a lot of these restaurants, they were told to not handle straws no more. I don't know if it's being enforced yet, but they say once it's enforced, that they will actually get a fine for these, for actually giving any plastic. That's why I decided to go with the straws, because to me, I could see like kind of like a trend where if I start selling these, we're gonna be buying it because, oh man, it looks cool. But I'm pretty sure that after a while, it probably will go down that little. But I'm gonna take advantage of it. It's better to be in the beginning of kind of like a trend and not at the end. And the second is the margins for these stainless steel straws are incredible. I've seen some sets. Actually bought the package that I bought was about 34 sets, and each set includes this. Includes 3 straws, 1 straight, 1 curve, and a thicker one, for example, for like smoothies or shakes. It includes this brush to clean them and this bag. And I've seen this exact same package on some catalogs as well online, and they sell for like between like 120 130 pesos. And you know how much this set cost me? Each set cost me only 30 pesos, even after the shipping. That's why, and I bought 34. So if I sell this for 130, that's 100% profit. That's why, again, the margins are incredible. And the third reason is, again, I want to try to offer these for screen printing, because I'm going to try and print on these. I'm going to test it first with my logo for my print shop to see if it doesn't wash off, because I'm not really sure what this is made out of. But I'm going to give it a try, and I'm going to try to sell them. I have basically 3 ways to sell. The first one is to sell each set individually, by myself. I could sell this for like, I don't know, probably like 100 pesos or even 80 pesos just to sell them right away. Selling them by myself will mean that I'll get a larger profit, but it's going to take a lot more work because I actually have to go, face to face with people and try to sell them. And actually have these custom made. Actually have my logo. This is for my print shop. Actually, my print shop my shop is actually called Marco's Print Shop, but it only fits Marco in there. This is where actually laser printing in here, and it's extremely cheap to have this on here. And also, they also could customize these ones, but you have to buy a lot more sets. But again, the good thing is I'm a screen printer, so I can print this myself. So yeah, another way to sell them is to go to, for example, I don't know what they call it here. There's certain stores where you'll buy everything in plastic. I mean, everything, plates, bowls, trash cans, anything. Think of that's made out of plastic, you'll find them there. And I'm thinking of trying to sell these to them, wholesale price. My margin will be a lot less, but again, if I'm going to sell them at wholesale, they're going to have to buy a lot from me. And for me, it'll be easier, they'll do all the work, they'll sell them. That's another way. And the third way is offer them the same way, kind of like of t-shirts. Because here in Mexico, at the end of the year, a lot of companies, what they do is they give away free stuff for their clients. For example, shirts, bags, or calendars, even like cloth napkins, where they're under the name of their company. They give away to their customers as gifts, a way to thank them for being their clients throughout the year. So I'm thinking of trying to offer these ones with their own logo. I'm going to try to get restaurants, people who have a restaurant that would give one. I'm going to tell them first if they want to sell it to their customers or if they want to give them away. Whichever works best for them. So yeah, so that's what I'm thinking I'm doing. So yeah, so now to figure out the size of this, I'm going to measure right now. Probably I have the logo going sideways. And My design, my logo is actually two colors. It's just red and black. But since it's on a black cloth, I'm going to have to throw an underbase, or I'll just put it red and white. So yes, I'm going to try to print on these. And I'm going to try to find like something to put in here so I can actually print on here, because this won't fit in a pallet. So I got to find a small piece of wood. And I'm not really sure if I'm going to print them here or to go with the maestro, because to cure this, to use the flash dryer, it'll be a lot easier with the heat gun, but I don't have a heat gun. The maestro does have a heat gun, so I might go there, or I don't know. It all depends on my schedule works, because I've been real busy. So that's something I get out of work real late. And right now I'm working on designs as well. Most likely I'll do it here just with the flash dryer. That way I could work more calmly and not be in a rush. So yeah, so alright, amigos. So yeah, that's gonna be my hustle and a way to get some extra money. I still laugh at myself, because it's funny how trying to think of a way to make money off of straws. But just like a few days ago, I was watching this video on YouTube. I forgot what the name of the channel is called. Strange Parts, where he goes to that big marketplace in China, and where people go and buy. You know, they'll find it's people who buy wholesale, where they sell the products. In the video, they ran into some guy from Dubai, and they tell him, "What are you here for?" "No, I'm just here. I'm looking for door handles." And that door handles, like, "Yeah, like, do you own a shop?" And like, "Yeah, I have 5 shops in 5 countries." And they're like, "What? Just from door handles?" They're like, "Yeah." And that literally, you know, kind of like a way motivated me, where it's amazing how from something so simple and like a simple product that many people wouldn't see like a big business, but that guy's doing it. 5 stores in 5 countries. I mean, that's pretty amazing for door handles. So maybe people think about the same thing as these straws. But anyways, well, that's all for today's video. I'm gonna work on the design. I'm gonna try to scale my logo so it can fit in here. And hopefully on my next video, I'm gonna show you guys when I actually print on these. And then later on I'll do a follow-up to see how my business actually goes trying to sell these. But yeah, you know, I gotta find anything just to make some extra money. And I can't just rely on my day job and the screen printing. Even though I love screen printing, but I need to invest. I need a lot more equipment to get. So anything will help for me. So again, amigos, the reason I'm doing this is to get some extra money so I can invest in more equipment for my screen printing shop. And there's another reason. Another reason is because me, I don't see myself as an employee. I see myself as an owner. And I see myself in the future not only as a successful printer, but a successful entrepreneur. And this right here, these straws, is going to get me one step closer to that. I don't know exactly how I'm going to get there, but I know one day I will. And there's literally 2 things that could go with these. One, I could fail, or I could be successful. If I do sell these and I do end up being successful, it's going to be incredible. It's going to help me invest more in the screen printing shop and give me more ideas and what to do next. But if I fail and these don't sell, well, it's just going to be a lesson. It's just going to be a lesson for me to learn from. Something that I don't know what to do next, what to do next time correctly, and what to avoid. I'm going to try my best to try to sell these. And again, the only people who are successful are the ones who don't give up. And I'm going to try my best and do anything to make some extra money. But anyways, again, so you're going to see the follow-up on this one, how it goes. Not only on when I actually print these, but when I sell them. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow my Instagram and like my Facebook page. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment or leave me a message in one of those platforms. But anyways, amigos, I'll see you guys next time.